Hi people! So I just want to ask this question. Have you seen this before? Because this is my first time. And I got this from my neighbor that is just a few blocks away, Vinex, and she gave me this to try out as she showed me her video. She can actually bake her potatoes and sweet potatoes in this inside a microwave. So let's put this thing to a test. So I have here a few sweet potatoes. I am just going to try, let's put in 2. They have already been scrubbed, so I just need to rinse well. So you have seen me wash this. It's still wet, and I'm going to just put it inside this pouch. Okay, supposed to put it inside, and then I'm supposed to fold this down and put it this way in. Okay, put this in, and then I'm supposed to set it for 6 minutes. Past about 2 minutes, there is some kind of a squeaking sound coming out from there, and I'm not too sure if I'm supposed to stop it, but I'm just gonna let it go. And it's now down with another 3 minutes. I can really smell the aroma. Great, so I'm now down with 30 seconds. Are you excited? I am. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. It's going to be really hot, so be careful. It's hot. Okay, let's take a look at it. Okay. So, can you see this? It smells really good, but I'm not too sure if it's cooked. Just use this fork. Look. Okay, soft. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's hot. It's hot. Let's take a look at this. Gosh, it cooked. It's really good, okay? It's really good. Check it out on my link. This is super easy to clean. I prefer to flip it over to dry. Ready to use the next round.